Okay, this part right here is eyebrow tutorial. It's an update anyway. Our MIT eyebrow pencil. This is waterproof. This will last you for a whole day when you're on 12-hour shift. Like, guys, you know I used to work 12 hours. When I use this, I know what I'm talking about. When I want to bring out, when I'm sampling a new product and stuff like that, I want to bring a product that can resist the work I'm doing, that because I wear makeup to work, a makeup that I can wear to work when I am coming back at the end of 12-hour shift. Even the 8 hours I'm doing now, I still have my eyebrow intact. Yeah, I still have my makeup more or less, even though I wear mask here and there. I still want my makeup, especially now that we travel. Now that we travel, when you're on a train, you know what I mean, guys? You still want your makeup to be like that type of stuff. Anyway, so I just, I play too much. I just want to update you guys today about our eyebrow pencil. Okay. This is truly affordable, guys. I'm out here fighting with the manufacturer. I just had a fight there. Today, we fell out for you guys. Negotiating is not easy. And when you are competing with all these big brands, the market is big. When you are competing, guys, you want your product to be good. At the same time, you want it to be affordable for you and I. So, guys, the fight is not easy. Me and the fight here. Anyway, this is an update. There is nothing apart from my base. So you comb. Guys, I hope you're all doing well. Okay, I will use ebony today instead of chocolate mirror. So I need to bring myself just slightly forward. Okay, I will start by drawing. I'm just following the line. See that? Okay. Then I'll do the up bit. Start from here. Here. Then just fill inside. Just fill it up where like there is not much hair, because I got male hair. Just fill it. Fill. When I get to the front, I like to use a different shade, to do the front. But today, I'm just going to use one shade only. You don't have to buy 2 shades just to get what you want. You can also use just one shade. So, as I get to this front, I will reduce the pressure, okay, if you know what I'm trying to say. So, I will just do a stroke. The ombre effect I usually have on my videos and stuff, I'm not going to get that today. I can still create it by adding a bit of concealer, but it's okay when you are rushing to work in the morning. You don't have time for all that. I try to do things that every normal person will do. I have not even cleaning now. You see this one? Yes, I got my own, I got my own little hair going. But you can tell the difference from this and this. So now, let's just clean it up for the sake of cleaning it. I'm telling you, because it is my product, 100%, I'm liable for this. I'm not going to sit here to lie to anyone, to lie to you. If it's not working, I'll tell you, we need to reformulate it. We'll get in touch with the manufacturer and all that, because that's my job. If it's working, I will tell you it is working. What I usually do when I'm doing video, if I'm going to clean it, I just put a bit of concealer back in my hand. Not much, because I've already done my base. So not much to it, basically. Like I said before, it's because I'm doing video. That's why I'm doing this process. If I was rushed in the morning going to work, guys, I haven't got the time. I really don't have that time. So yeah, I have to master both. You know, some of us learn in a very hard way, you know, which in a way it gives us the opportunity to do things in different ways. Thank God that, you know, thank God for the fact that I have to go out and work. I thank God for it. But if by God willing, maybe I will able to do this full-time in future. But for now, I have to go out there and make some dough. Anyway, so up here, because I've done my base, I need to go very, very light. Because I don't want anything to disturb my beautiful base I just put together. You guys know what I mean. So as for this part right here, I need to brush all over in a minute. I like this shade. This shade I use right now, Ebony. She is one of my favorites. Like, lover. Then the next step for me, just, you know, make it seems like all is mine. Okay. So guys, this is now the final. Can you see? I love it. You see this one? Yes, it's reasonably good because I have mine. But guys, check me out on this one. Check me out. We use Ebony. Okay, so you can go ahead and check all them eyebrow pencil out. It's available on our website. We've not changed manufacturer. It's still the same. The manufacturer, they have not changed their formula. Okay guys, so feel free. You have my word. Go ahead, knock yourself out. I shall see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Eyebrow game, baby.